Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be showing you how to bypass Google FRP on Samsung device. If you have forgotten your Google account credentials after a factory reset, don't worry, we have got you covered. We will walk you through the process, providing all the necessary tools and tips to safely and effectively unlock your device. Make sure to follow along carefully and don't forget to like and subscribe. You can see my verify your account page. Friends, this video is especially for Samsung S22 5G phone. So let's start the tutorial. Now go to this Wi-Fi page and connect a Wi-Fi network. Without Wi-Fi network, this process is not working. Now click on this setting option and go to this reset to default set. In this method, you need another smartphone. This is my Motorola smartphone. I am using this phone for bypassing FRP on my Samsung phone. So now friends, first of all reset all the things. And now click back and now you can go to this text shortcut icon and now go to this plus icons. You can write there Samsung FRP bypass. Now you can expand phrase star hash 0 star hash and now click on this add option. Now go to this home page and dial this star hash 0 star hash and now go to this touch section and draw all these things. After drawing this page, it is automatically removed. Now go to this loop back section and now click to start speaking and start RCV and now click on this stop option. After that, now click on this speaker option and wait 5 seconds. Now during this process, go to this start option. Now click to agree option, set up manually and again go to this add network option and write that Samsung FRP bypass and write the code star hash 0 star hash. And now go to this FRP bypass page and now change to view more options. Now go to the statics option. Now go to the 8.8.8.8 and now go to DNS2 setting and 8.8.4.4. And now after that, now click on the save option. After completing this process, again go to this home page. Change your language English US. Now click on OK. And now again go to this star hash 06 hash and another USD code. Please wait 10 to 15 seconds during this process. Friends, now wait and after wait, now click on this OK button. After that, now go to this start option and open your another phone. First of all, you go to this Play Store and search the Smart Switch app. Without this app, this method is not working on your phone. So first of all, you install it and now click to agree. Now you can say that setup message is arrived in my phone. Without downloading Smart Switch, this message may be come or not, I don't know, but make sure you download this app and set up Galaxy M14 5G To click on this setup, making sure both devices are connected with the same Wi-Fi. Then this method is working on your phone, and making sure both devices are close to each other. Now click on this setup. Connecting this might take a few moments, so please wait. And now click to scan QR code option. Just a second and verify it's you. And now click on this connecting to Wi-Fi. Getting your phone ready. Getting account information, friends. Keep both devices on and close to each other until setup is complete. If any device is turned off, this method is not working in your phone 100%. Google service and don't touch this device during this process. Now you can see that there is an email ID is added to, but I am not entering my email ID and password. So how this email ID is added? Because the data transfer from one device to another device, so account is also transferred from one device to another device. Now click to more and click to accept and click skip and skip anywhere, friends. Now click more and click skip, friends. Don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you cannot be completed the process and go to the FRP page again. And now click OK. Now click forget password setup later in settings. Now skip, agree, choose your display mode and please wait, friends. Get recommended apps, wait few seconds. Now click next option. You are all set up. Click on this finish icon. Now setup is completed. Choose your language now. Next, click continue and now skip. Now click continue and install and finish. Now you can see that, friend, the setup is completed. We are successfully bypassing FRP on my Samsung device. If any case your phone is not unlocked, please comment with your model number. Thank you for watching, friends.